Welcome back for another Q&T price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my long-term Elliot analysis and also discuss my short-term price action to expect in the next coming hours. And starting the video by first sharing my long-term Elliot analysis, you can see that Q&T back in 2021 gave us that massive bounce to the upper side, giving us a 4x and an all-time high at around the $429.7 mark. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a bear market where we had been seeing a corrective structure in this ABC corrective move, in a move that gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we continued to obey the Elliott wave structures, where you can see that we picked in this 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $229 mark in a move that completed the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we continued to see further breakdown in the formation of this wave 2, which is the move that I still believe is what we are seeing at the moment, where you can now see that the ABC corrective structure for the second wave has managed to get into the minimum retracement areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And that is between the $134.3 mark and the $80.6 mark, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks we can see a massive bounce to the upper side reacting to the target area and get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3 and giving you target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I have a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $396.3 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. And that is what I'm expecting on the long term before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And jumping to the 1-hour chart and also zooming in into the charts to give you the price action to expect in the next coming hours. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that Q&T has continued to trade within this price channel, where you can now see that we have been seeing fake outs to the upper side of the channel. And at the time of this recording, Q&T continues to hold above the 20-day MA, and there are chances that as long as the 20-day MA continues to hold, we can easily see a break out of the channel to the upper side, maybe get a retest, and once the retest is in and a success, then there are high chances that Q&T can give us a massive run up to the upper side and get above the $95 mark in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that there are chances that we can hit the upper side of the channel, get rejected, and see another pullback to the lower side of the channel. And in case the lower side of the channel does not hold as support, we can see a breakout to the lower side, maybe get a retest, and once the retest is in and a success, then from that point I will be expecting lower prices, where we can now get one more new low between the $80 mark and the $90 mark. And in case such a movement plays out, then that might be the final low that we are going to get here on the Q&T chart before we start getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that on the RSI we are holding above the 59 mark, which is fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.